the measurement we want. Oh, I got 30 inches here. That's what I measured. So now, since I measured the front, now if you were working in the back, you can just measure the center back, but use the back. But since I have my front down, okay, so from here, apex, and I'm supposed to hit 30 inches, which is right, oops, there. Okay, so this mannequin is, the finished length is there. And then you go ahead and square it off, like this. Okay. Now, kind of tell you how cheongsams are made. I just thought it was an interesting thing, that's why. Okay, in real life, we take the hip measurement, but I told you that this girl is abnormal. She has a stump that's kind of bigger down below here. So we're going to take that biggest measurement with the ease and then make a rectangle below that. Okay, so in the real life, it would be the hip measurement that goes all the way down here. Measure that again, kind of slip around. Okay, 5 3/4. 5 3/4. Okay, right here. Okay, so we make a rectangle like this. Okay, all right, so taking the biggest measurement. And this is what I had students do because I did it in real size, and there was a hip measurement, and then they went down like this. And that doesn't fit anymore. Okay, so that's, okay. Now, an interesting thing about the cheongsam, it just kind of runs, is what we're going to do is, I call it a cheongsam taper. Okay, so we measure in 3 inches, so since this is half size, it's going to be 1.5 inches. From the hip line, so, but at this point it's going to be the fattest part. This is the angle in which the long sheet. It works for other sheets, but you know, this is kind of traditional, what the Chinese do. Okay, so, and this is how you do it. If you want to make it kind of like a different length and stuff like that, a dress length or maybe knee length or ankle length or whatever, something else, you do this formula of coming in at the floor length, 3 inches, and do the taper, and then you shorten the dress. You don't go 3 inches any old place and come in because it's going to look really funny. Okay, but this is really kind of quite elegant. Okay, when you
What
do
was that for? I'm sorry. You go in an inch and
You square out
Uh-huh.
on the hips and come in 3 inches at the floor line. And then with this is now the guideline for any length garment. Okay, and you know, you could use it for anything that you want to do with a kind of a pencil slim skirt. Yeah, so it's really nice. Okay. Now, I have to tell you that the cheongsam was not Chinese. It was designed by a French designer, and it was just this rich Chinese guy traveling around Europe with his wife, and he saw that